मॉर्निंग द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 12। आज आप लोगों का इंग्लिश प्रोज का वीमेंस एजुकेशन का एक्सप्लेनेशन जो है 5 से आगे का बता रहे हैं। देखिए 6 देयर वाज डॉट 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 ह्यूमन बीइंग। अब इसको देखिए लाइनें कहाँ हैं, तो लेट अस फाइंड आउट दीज लाइन्स। सो दीज लाइन्स आर हियर पेज ऑन द पेज नंबर 49। वो लाइनें यहाँ हैं। देयर वाज ए थंडर क्लैप, डा डा डा, और जोर से तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट, डा 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 हुआ। इमीडिएटली द टीचर एक्सप्लेन दैट दीज वेर द एसेंस ऑफ गुड लाइफ, दम दान दया। अब यहीं से रेफरेंस फिर एक बार आप लोगों को जो है रिपीट करके बता दे रहे हैं। रेफरेंस संदर्भ। These lines have been taken from the lesson Women's Education written by Dr. S.R. Krishnan। दूसरे तरीके से these lines this passage has been taken from the lesson Women's Education written by S.R. Krishnan। Context प्रसंग। The writer describe in this passage about the essence of life. Explanation. S.R. Krishnan says that there are some essence of good life, and there was a thunderclap, da da da, and quickly the teacher told the whole class that there were three essence of good life, dam, dan, and daya. Because these things are related to a good human life, they constitute the essence of, and they provide of human being about a good life, because one can get this thing by the essence of good life to be polite, and dam it means the self control, that we should control ourselves or restraint, which is the main symptom of human being, that he should be polite, not so proudy। अच्छा, ये दूसरा जो है आगे के देखते हैं। 7 when you talk dot 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 livelihood। आइए देखते हैं ये लाइनें कहाँ से। when you talk about एजुकेशन यहाँ से है और लाइवलीहुड यहाँ तक। अच्छा, इसको जो है रेफरेंस पहले जैसा ही लिखेंगे, दोनों में से एक जो आपको पसंद, जो आसान हो, लेकिन कॉन्टेक्स्ट में इसमें पूरे अनुच्छेद में लेखक क्या कहना चाहता है उसको एक दो लाइनें में इंगित करते हैं। तो देखते हैं इसका कॉन्टेक्स्ट लिखेंगे। हियर इज द main aim of, here the writer described about the main of the education। explanation व्याख्या। The writer describes here that when a person talk about education or instruction, people have many aims, many targets in their view about their education. It should give the people, those who are taught, knowledge of the world in which they want to give the knowledge of the world. Those who are taught, they wanted to give the knowledge to another person, and they are living in the age of a science, history, and geography, by which one person get knowledge and the one educated person also train the people to need some technical skill by which by which one should one can earn a livelihood. So in another way, in another manner, we can say that there are two main aim of education. The first is knowledge, and the second thing is to earn a livelihood. आइए अब अगले पैराग्राफ का देखते हैं. बट व्हाट इज डॉट 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 ऑफ एजुकेशन. ये लाइनें देखते हैं कहाँ है. अच्छा, 9 का देखते हैं. इन एंशिएंट टाइम डॉट डॉट डॉट. तो हाँ, अब जो है पैराग्राफ 8 का देखते हैं. बट व्हाट इज डॉट 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 ऑफ एजुकेशन. आइए देखते हैं लाइनें कहाँ इस लेसन में. तो ये लाइनें जो है यहाँ पे बीच में है पेज नंबर 49 पर. बट व्हाट इज देयर स्पेसिफिक अबाउट द काइंड ऑफ एजुकेशन इम्पार्टेड इन दिस. यहाँ से है और यहाँ तक. तो रेफरेंस पहले जैसा है, दोनों में से एक कोई. कॉन्टेक्स्ट में क्या लेखक कहना चाहता है. हियर द राइटर डिस्क्राइब अबाउट द सम स्पेशल काइंड ऑफ एजुकेशन. एक्सप्लेनेशन. The writer describes here that there should be some special kind of educational institution for our country, and we all have heard the main purpose of education is not only the requirement of skill or information or only knowledge, but it should be also initiated into a higher life, because initiation into world which is which transcends the world of space and time, though the latter informs and animates the former, while the uh, in latter inform and the animates the former. It makes something like lifeless living thing, and perhaps this is the most important purpose of education. This is the main purpose of education. आइए आगे के देखते हैं. इन एंशिएंट टाइम्स डॉट 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 सब्जेक्शन ऑफ वुमेन. ये लाइनें देखते हैं. यहाँ से पेज नंबर 49 पर ही है. तो रेफरेंस दोनों में से एक जैसा. कॉन्टेक्स्ट में हियर इज द राइटर डिस्क्राइब्स हियर अबाउट द दैट द वुमेन हैड द राइट टू गुड एजुकेशन इन एंशिएंट टाइम इन इंडिया. एक्सप्लेनेशन. Whenever the writer describes, whenever we read our old volume, old books, religious books, we see that the woman had right to participate in the religious ceremony of Upanayan, which is performed from them, and they were listed to study of Vedas, because there are 4 kind of Vedas. So women are also worthy to, and they are also listed to study the Vedas, and they were also listed to chanting, discussing the Gayatri Jap, and all these religious things, religious or ritual things, were opened for our women during in ancient time, when but our civilization became, but after the invasion of Mughal or during this central period, our civilization became slave under their influence. So the main symptom of our civilization was decayed, especially for the subjection of weak women, and our civilization became gloomy, especially for women. 10. After independent their own. इसका रेफरेंस दोनों में से कॉन्टेक्स्ट में प्रसंग में क्या क्या कहना चाह रहा है. तो लास्ट लाइन है पेज नंबर 50 पर. हियर इज ए कॉन्टेक्स्ट में लिखेंगे द राइटर डिस्क्राइब्ड अबाउट द एफर्ट ऑफ आवर नेशनल फादर महात्मा गांधी फॉर वीमेंस एजुकेशन. एक्सप्लेनेशन. After the independence which we got in 1947 on August 15, our nation father of nation Mahatma Gandhi has also made effort for the education of women, and he also in favor of their education. So he also started a revolution in our country. But nowadays the women are coming before the society for their education by their own. Thanks, Jai Hind.